And these are the taxis.
Higher taxi like now, our mother, even Bogatti now, mother young taxi in the city one. So, what I'm trying to say is, my be in the mood door. Oko Dubai, our taxi in no, your trackers winning in them, your camera and casa, ewo can. Until Otramo taxi my in Dibum. Until camera back, I heard that so. Na back point to be BS or can, they know.
What's not taxi when did you?
Yeah, you do. I try to say you don't eat in the car. You need to work on. You taxi don't
public transport, bus. I can see always made
Dubai men conquer for bus, but definitely no say be a more contour and be beer. And I can sure some because we do because more mom could never be a rest of baby will be able to see I could eat, be and sure be a fine. But about to beg a beer, I don't in the taxis there. Meaning, say they don't allow people to eat in the taxis.
Ghana, how to take
and a camera, album.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yes, camera too, but I could say, elbow, or driver, no, a hill. And a mom watching, so camera back, Adamoso. Do offer your bones the camera soon, boom. To see a beer making
a camera, no wine and monitors a camera.
Share. Or more in the massa, or more a lot of things will crow no more. And in Timan said, be a for what for can what you be.
Yeah.
Do you be more? Now, offer, obey me, baby, your best friend. Now, so be a me for car. Time see, medical ha. They will be able to track the car when they found.
Wow.
The system is just good. Time now for before you be a best, now be a 4. Be a me for airport.
Without you telling them the car number.
Be one for car number. You didn't pay the car. One for car number no. Or maybe sound information. They will be able to track the car when they found at that time. And that's serious. And any pan ayo, and yes, Rabofu, and no two pacapacambas, no yet a bipa. Any pan aye. So why can't we do some of these things? You bet me a yabro by honey politics there that do.
Be politics.
Politics and they too much. And I say Obi ya, they are not dealing yet. The party phone you never support it. Obi ya, they are very good. Opposition phone you never against it. Politics and they too much. And in the Oko Dubai, baby, Hono Corner, yet the entire example. No. Oko America, Mr. Brazil and Zaka, but Dubai also goes here. The answer goes to Gabit here. Go there and see. Kurabia the whole year in Sotomo once a pet. Yeah, I tell the whole year in Soto. But I help my one thing in near one flowers at Oku.
Yami Bobo Sono.
And yes, sir, I'm my junior year, you may have been at that. Yajin where the bungus are the water. Where the bungus, you know. No, that's serious. Do one say, see, they know very well, say, and Miano Krana or Mundi Edia Habano or more imported. And they're gonna hire what you're brutal about the hair because if you know, or more use a desert that I have a young Yanano, wouldn't even find BBR. And the amazing thing is that Omode pipes. The and forms are beer pipes and Namu. I want not tenancy. Tiana is so soon, the dear, na pipe enough for one to a soon so. Sa and the crowns you want to be the whole year be at to suit 1 or 2 pet. But beer flowers, but beer in near because they are thinking. Say, any young go on the go desert this way. Nkaboya mayashi. Okay, now Krokomwa or my dream no. See the way these guys work, no, it's beautiful. Yeah, baby, I'm friend say, I'm saying friend safari park.
Yeah,
safari park, and so we go to South Africa, then Kenya da. Nso mo no forest no. Timoti kada mo nam o mo jata de nam o mo chase mu a. Something of a sort, and no my Dubai ho no. Abo bia ho. Obehu tiger ho, obehu lion ho, obehu hyena. Mo ani nyina bi ho. And on my end said the bear all the card nam. To say they were South Africa ne other places, Kenya ne all those places. But omukuro mo so kan kan nia heda ni ho. But motimi aye forest ho ha ye dua nia wom. No, it's that serious oh. Is that serious? Oko ba bi omo be for Miracle Garden. Miracle Garden a flower nko an omo dey design a whole garden. Now ko hwe say omo si aye ho. Now say enye say artificial flowers oh. E nia flower nka say ye dua. Nipa na aye. Omo butterfly garden. Apumpure na na bonte e fanya hwe. Amofo tues ka kohwe. Apumpuro dey. Me say ye wo butterfly garden ho ha. or money in the market. They say, "Busy, na or your selfie because I'm president. You're going to bring your palm. I'm about to bring a number of it. But go there and see. You have to pay like 100 dirham to go and walk here up Pumpuru. But see a leadership. It is leadership. It's a hotel be a would Dubai. What your hotel and a carry na say be I must say 100 or 200 on a vino. A day be a loot your 10 dirham at the government. Oh yes. What your carry and near tax I know dear say be I making online and the hotel sika. Who could now check in? How many days now would be about 7 days? 70 dirham. No what here.
And no tax.
And no tax I call by whole street. And just imagine hotels do the good crew. Almost every day, almost any man. Then will be here 10 dirham. Meaning say hotel and casa fee now or more general. Almost will be on between my band. Where the special tax be say and the over a hotel for the government. And the young my honor. Okogana ha share said the airport why. Even sir, see at times me transfer me dream one I don't get it. Oh say ade no say who nim ye. No obi aye bia. Say nipa you sue 10 years and dey na. You don't even need 1 year to do the over 10 years because already the aye be there. Copy and paste. Okay.
And that screen.
I don't why ade na ode ato ho. Hwe.
Dubai.
Obeka say nipa na ye. Obeka say say abofo na o ma draw e be so be nipa hwe ka kwan. Hwe kwan. Kuro a nipa na achi kuro.
How the who drive them one here over me say kwan.
It dem say oh ha na cha be a map. If your mom ni kuro kwa no na the map and everybody is using map, then you be able to use it. One say kuro omo desert too. Oil no mo. Apart from oil no mo say ni bibia bio.
Oil you go.
You woni nyina ka ho. Ba ye ntimi nye a quarter of that. They make sure we say we do omo taxi, we do airport. Terminal 3 no. Hon Emirates nko na ko. Omo terminal 2 other airlines one omo ko. Do be bia na obe ko terminal 3 means say the Emirates na ko ye. Na ko aircraft do omo. Na Ghana yete ye ni ba kokora aye the for pitumpo. One. Ka say the for pitu guma na bi. One zi bi. We land now aircraft a good park and so. See I say na wa land na we say thousands go hono. Baby ni na wie mu ko ba bia unya mu ye.
Na say we screen no success ya.
We hotel bia omo fa no Bujarab no eno esipunu won say omo twempo no ko akiri na ba jansu na ba nti wo abon say sinsuo num.
Hi.
Omo say we 7-star hotel. And before because hotel according to what they know no because say koto omo say obebuki because Ghana we asin paying mutu kwa na omo ko deda. So you have to book and omo check you who say unipa ko a ban all that. Like omo check you secret background and say because big guys na ko ho. Very expensive hotel omo na see omo actually na
yeah
actually your cross na first pa na me ko Dubai because 2009 ho baby na hu omo number plate na we na da so ba say hu no ha bio unu ma de ko de what the play mu na o ba na hu we na hu cross nza cross the Christopher there
yeah
and is Dubai na Islamic
state
nti say actually no according to your cotton na obika nti o ya Arab mpanyimfo no say na dey esika say a big cross I representing Jesus Christ nti no this must be removed that almost then we according to nipa na we turn na o che say nti omo mu see and say no say you cross in free where dan enti mu nyina and according to nipa na no dey turn no a o ye ho ni no say tour guide no
yeah
nti omo say enye yi nti na so mo maintain this but number plate na dada so nyina no mo change ni nyina say ko Dubai obonso number plate ni nyewe na dada so bio. It's a very special hotel. I've been there. I mean, but like I've gone to the area. Then I make be about say we see one airport hono.
Na even drive omo mpo ano hono.
Share aircraft. Poko ha omo nso no different. Ye nso na the high say you know. I say amuduru no. Okoye beach me koye ata me call about the beach na me hwe pa na me see that here before crowd here kwa then high.
Na your problem.
No then high.
As a black
to the point is that for no crowd no be we Jnana wum. Na ni padam. No before be high the one say okwa brochiri a omo for no say they want a class te na omo put here say do ko gina bola bi tu a mumuru ba because mumuru na
wow he
oh aircraft
F1 F2 Emirates no
then I make say what do airport ho awi a wasi no
yeah
ndo mo Dubai ho they be able to say more me say me ko ba me nte ho me ko ma cha be a week pe unya pie free airport ho a taxis na wo ho no your ordinary ones na e Camry na to say Ghana ha it when your Camry a big boy Camry na e taxi wo ho oh yes the Camry no wo ho ene no achi no omo wo de to aso a na Toyota ba ko bia no so kakra no say Venza type no ene so wo soro nke bia wukura no madodo a ene be fawo eno achi ye wo limousine ne sa Benz BM Escalade your car bia bi wo ha say the VVIP o ye VIP obi aka so wo ho ntonya pie ye na taxis ne wo ho nya fe na akopɛ car de aduru no so no na be so no afo na a day sika on be hwie wo airport no ko afa amanfo mo fo car no because ta oduru ha obetimi adi line so a ten na taxi no se fo na ba nyete car ni o car ho ba ni pa odi line so na monfo like that
and these are the taxis
your taxi line na o de ye even Bugatti ni na o de ye taxi na sisi wo no so what I'm trying to say is say o ma dwe mu do o say obi bia na oba kuro wi mo no oya tourist unya bedru ha wa on fa kama
na raho
tie make sure say wo sika he obotomu no ese ya GB for our transportation system ntunya pie free airport na pa cars na wo bebrebe car no minim some of my members no ride the taxi no car ba ko bia nipa 2 neka ofa na 4 pm obetwia akopim the next day na 4 am no be for abagenti nipa 2 neka ka o kan sa from anti ejoa I said do we no go change oil and pen na ye dey pa o mo fanya adwuma to mo adwuma mo ya no they are just working like that and they are making money cars no nko an they are making so much money
say o hwe say do man yo mkro na nipa person mo be
me say nipa wo Dubai ho nya say go do airport ho na hu nipa check out first pa na okwa abako dq so say o my smart gate obi aduru ho na uduru ho pa uduru a wo de won spy so pa na bi na okọ enya afi na okọ migration yakọ bibi uduru ho na ape no wuram unless ebi uduru na wo issue or passport visa ho na bibi a na ya direct to say go to the immigration nipa ka kra bi na ho dodo na about 90% nyina go to the smart gate kele mani pa nche kwa na moko kwa na mavo pia like that to these are some of their taxis and now who are more policy for how much use I'm saying all this things say is about the leadership me na no enya say so above bi te ba bi e na oye we ma omo no it is about leadership the enya good leadership at some of these things you know you should be able to do in our country but unfortunately no you paying for dodo na you too selfish or no odwen ne ma can you imagine say there are so many police for na many police dey be din komo say police for omo time master so omo retirement as I buy na mo kono ya say mo contract 2 years waten mu ache disika wa ba no omo kwa ya man 2 years and it's something they have been doing omo ba nipa na bia we affiliated to the party nti e say pay bibi di man nipa na 7 na time aso a o man a contract so onye denti o ka say wa wu na wo obi man in place no there are other young guys omo ba mo fa omo nsha ho mpanyin fo nko pe bi nkoda we panyimu a go and rest wabre go and find some peace and rest by greediness nti obetimi anko te adwuma saa na ka watwa ahwe no wawu ne asie ni say oy officer wawu adwuma at least see media to be honest with you our problem ni nyina no kata 2022 wake up no I was there me members now me group in fact me group baby out me group Dubai me obi o Qatar you obi o Saudi baby the whole world the country be
transformation
baby until 2022 on me wake up no me group now no mo invite me co-founder and some of our many boys have been on motor to cry no we all went there na ko Qatar that was my third time na me call kuluketwa that time call no mo ni metro but yeah baba wake up yi omanya metro system a uwura asase na hu trainer and na asase na se ha Ghana hai ordinary chukuka yendim nye bi de na bonte ha de yendim nye go there wo wura asase na se no obetimi afa left no so akwa na wasa akwa anti o check about 200 feet under the ground obekọ no asase na sin na yikuro eye nipa na eye ba ye te ha na aburo yenya sika no kura na ese sika no ge fa to Ghana banks na nka bank ni nya ho interest no na ya kote aburuchiri na nam dodo na sika no mu wi enti no ontimi kura nka na busuafo ni paso de we da ho nkyere bo uwu na ma fa sika no
na bro for Africa
o de so Ghana akwa banks o mo policy ni say so bi esave ha na nipa ni wu na busuafo ni ma wo ye banka wo ha wontimi nka nkyere obi a oh yes because according to me lady bi na oye adwuma e wo bank bi e na man no wo sika fine e na man ni free na o kan sika na da bank wa o man ni di mu a o ka be 3 wo ho na busuafo se wagya oba ne ma ta na bra na mo bre the girl no so you no ye obi oye adwuma o bank o ni man no sika e won account so not even though it's against our principle but I have to go no ko ka che ma me say when me ni kwan say kan beka we chiro ba me hwe bra no me bre na me hwe ukun sika da bank ho na I am saying it say bank ni hu be yimadi ti de obey ni say go to the bank okwa ka che o mo say ukun ka che o say o save ha no save I no ba ha several times kura ba wonim na account number no e no free me kwa so ni save mu ntimu mi so nti no wo ba say ukuru account ho ha de o me kan say bia ko fa ni bia ne death certificate fabra what the bar fa bibi che say ukunu no what the bar we are mremu no they have to go into it sika na wo man account mu nyago
wow
I'm telling you the Ghana ha kra no wo save wo bank na wo yere na ukunu na obusanfo ni na wu a bank na o mo nka o mefa nti ye mpanyimfo na dodo na de o musika kwa aburuchiri kwa hye ho nyina no o mo nka ha nkyere o mo ni mpebe sika na de ba jawe wa jimi o jimi ja no na che o wuzi ze ya be sika no de o mo ka o je ba na o ja no fi o nim nyansa na o fetaka to we wa jimi
na ko bi ni de
no it's very painful. It's very painful.